appreciation. Introducing what art is all about.
I'm Decadit Palermo. I'm Decadit Tapas.
I'm Decadit Suki.
I'm Decadit Isal.
I'm Decadit Istorpo.
Art is a universal human expression that transcends culture and linguistic barriers, connecting people across time and space. It existed even before the development of spoken language, with prehistoric cave paintings and carvings evidencing art as one of the oldest means of communication developed by humankind. Art is deeply rooted in culture, reflecting the values, tradition, and beliefs of society through artistic works like painting, sculptures, music, dance, and ceramic that instill cultural pride and identity.
An artist employs medium and elements to create a visual artwork. The medium refers to the physical materials like paints, clay, and charcoal, or other digital tools used for artistic expression. The elements are the core components make up the artwork, including line, color, form, volume, light, and shadow.
Soul making involves deeply connecting with our innermost nature by fully awakening awareness and flooding consciousness by internal and profounding imagery. Also, art is a universal human expression rooted in culture, predicting language that allows expression of unconscious and conscious mind, differing from nature as a creative man-made interpretation.
Arts transcends and cultures and regions, taking unique forms shaped by diverse beliefs and traditions. As for Islamic art like calligraphy, geometric pattern, and architecture highlight spiritual tranquility through intricate design. The Cordillera region indigenous arts of the Philippines showcase wood carving, weaving, and metalwork. These varied artistic expression powerfully connect modern people to the rich, long-standing cultural growth from which they emerge.
In essence, art is a profoundly universal human endeavor that transcends cultural and linguistic barriers. Emerging before spoken language itself, artistic expression allowed humans across society and eras to express their innermost vision, emotions, and cultural identity in the natural world. Art's ability to bridge gap and outlive generations solidifies its importance as a fundamental means for making humans experience resonantly felt and understood.
Also, art is a human
Traditions and beliefs sa balik.
Art's ability to
Arts appreciation. Arts appreciation. Introducing what art. Arts appreciation.
Alam ko may matatakbuhan sa sandali iniwanan kahit anong sabihin mo mga kapatid ko kasama ko to sa hirap mo ginawa mago naman ang mundo tsaka iba talaga